Your Excellency, Ambassador of Korea to Fiji, Mr. Park Yong-kyu, Mr. Chong, members of the Korean embassy staff and officials, Deputy Secretary of the Ministry, the joint government team will be traveling to Korea, members of the three communities of Silana, Nemesimasi, and Mau, members of the media. Annyeonghaseyo. Bulavinaka, welcome. At the outset, allow me to personally welcome you all once again to the headquarters of the Ministry of Rural and Maritime Development and Disaster Management. Your Excellency, thank you very much for your presence this morning. Please be assured that my ministry looks forward to continuing to work with your team in the future, as this will not only enrich and equip the participants, but also strengthen relations between our two nations and encouraging future exchange and joint initiatives, including scaling up of the current initiative to other rural communities in Fiji. Distinguished guests and fellow colleagues, it is an absolute honor and privilege to stand before you today as we bid farewell to a group of exceptional members of society and civil servants who are embarking on a transformative journey from the shores of Fiji to the vibrant land of Korea. This momentous occasion marks the commencement of a capacity building expedition under the esteemed Saemaul Undong Initiative, a partnership that symbolizes the strength of collaboration, the power of learning, and the spirit of progress. Saemaul Undong, which translates to the new community movement, embodies the essence of inclusive growth and sustainable development. As civil servants, as members of the community that have been entrusted with this vital responsibility of fostering the well-being of our nation and its people, through this journey, you are not merely voyaging to a distant land, but you are embarking on a path that will empower you to bring about positive change, influence policy, and equip the lives of countless individuals when you return home. To our team, I urge you all not to forget the purpose of why you have been selected to undergo this training. You must remember that as servants of the people, you have been chosen to participate in this capacity building training because of your unwavering dedication to public service and your commitment to fostering positive change. Through this journey, you will delve in the principles and methodologies of Saemaul Undong, working alongside experts and practitioners who have successfully implemented this initiative in Korea. During your 2-week stay in Korea, I urge you to absorb every lesson, embrace every challenge, and forge connections that transcend borders. Let your interactions be not just transactions, but exchange of ideas and experiences that will shape the course of our nation's progress. Remember, the insights that you gather and the skills you acquire will be instrumental in shaping policies that drive socio-economic development, uplift the lives of our fellow citizens in rural and maritime communities across Fiji. This training presents a golden opportunity for personnel to gain invaluable insights and practical knowledge on community development, sustainable practices, and the spirit of self-reliance. They will learn how to effectively identify and address the needs of our communities, engaging their active participation and mobilizing resources to bring about lasting positive change. Before I conclude, I wish to extend my deepest gratitude to the government of the Republic of Korea, the organizers of this capacity building training, and the Saemaul Undong Initiative for their vision and support. Your commitment to sharing and transfer knowledge and promoting self-reliance is truly commendable. I'm confident that the experiences and lessons of our personnel, both government and community members, will gain through this program and will have a profound and lasting impact on the work that we do in developing our rural communities in Fiji. I wish our traveling team every success and look forward to witnessing the positive impact you will make upon your return. I'll just speak a little bit in Tokay. Sa ating usakan na kaungku na puno vaturanga silana, puno vaturanga mo ni mas. Na wale benda cukup na sini kuah, anda biasa. Kalau biasa cukup na turangan na embes dan na sebar mikir orang mai. Cukup itu betul, mana sangai mana barang beli butak. Na bingkarap sanggo. Bagi ambak minggu sana mi dapat cukup na within ambak kena tu kata kita cukup kena tu ya butak siap pilot. Na mundu wikor na monitorang kena maram. Yo, ibi naka kito nanumuchi ko men sangay me ko watamay nakayan ni na nebuli da me na Saemaul Undong watake nanonda tubu ka nga ni wingara yo kaya nanonda kan ibi water taki na yalo ni ibi water taki sa tumakautu solwaki matagali baka nanon pa melag may mingi tali baka somuki na nanonda wingara bibich mingi nondanga donaka navy chinga esa reata langa nakaya sa tutukuni chuku mer tono bekanta tumi korga ni la ko ni la ka menomuni so ya nam bolem chubi kum ni reida naka ni ron le bangataka ko tele sumai ata nom do bi korkor na ron la ko tale ni kinir na bi koro witi mer ne wuli mekin yani nag sa chuga meron geli panjo tek itu tuku bina ni Saemaul Undong. Ya sambudi sa cukup, beba kacu mesor ni kau nasi Saemaul Undong. Sana ngai sama ini nabi kila katu makau tu weekend. Roni tali baba nang sare kira tono dodo ni garab. Roni garab kino bina ko erna nonda. Era cuna to untuk nabi kor leu. Kino be jangan. Thank you very much. Kamsahamnida. Navaliabu safe travels to Korea.
The Honorable Sakiasi Ditoka, the Minister for Rural and Maritime Development and the Disaster Management of Fiji, and Mr. Jung Chang-han, the Saemaul Undong Coordinator for Fiji, and Saemaul Undong leaders, and other participants here today. Good morning, Nisambula Binaka, and 안녕하세요. Let me begin by welcoming all of you here, and I would like to congratulate those selected participants from the Saemaul Undong model villages and the relevant government agencies who will embark on the Saemaul Undong training program in Korea next week. I'd like to express my sincere gratitude to Honorable Minister Ditoka for generously organizing this event and also for his valuable support for promoting Saemaul Undong or New Village movement in Fiji. As we all know, this community-led development program emphasizes self-help, diligence, and cooperation. And I'm proud that your hard work and dedication have been truly inspiring. As Ambassador of the Republic of Korea to Fiji, it is my great honor and great pleasure to witness the remarkable progress that has been made over the last 3 years in implementing the Saemaul Undong program in Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, in modern history of Korea, this rural development campaign has played a significant role in the transformation of Korea and its economy from aid recipient to an aid donor country and from poverty to prosperity within 4 decades after the devastating Korean War ended in 1953. I hope that this upcoming training experience in Korea will equip the participants with tangible insights and knowledge pertaining to Saemaul Undong so that this exposure can inspire them to apply the principles of Saemaul Undong in Fiji, particularly for sustainable economic and social development in its rural areas. Concurrently, I trust that the occasion will provide an opportunity for participants to immerse themselves in the distinctive culture of Korea and also to broaden their comprehension of Korea. I sincerely hope that the Saemaul Undong program in Fiji can assist and facilitate village people to work together to identify and address the challenges they face and to develop sustainable solutions that will benefit their communities. And I'm confident that your efforts will pave the way for a brighter future for your villages and for Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, in closing, I wish to express once again my heartfelt appreciation to the Ministry of Rural and Maritime Development, Disaster Management of Fiji, and all other stakeholders for organizing this event today. And my special thanks also goes to Mr. Jung Chang-han, the Saemaul Undong Coordinator for Fiji, whose remarkable dedication and contributions have been pivotal to our collective endeavors. And thank you. Binakaba Kalev, and 감사합니다.
The Honorable Minister for Rural and Maritime Developments, Mr. Ditoka, Your Excellency, Ambassador Korea, Government Department's representative, not forgetting the stakeholders. Yes, sir. First, I would like to thank the Ambassador from the Republic of Korea and the ministers and ministry regarding the Saemaul Undong participating in our 3 villages in our province. Not forgetting the Lord Almighty for His encouragement in the community to work together so we can achieve our targets in developments given by the village committee, funded by the great Saemaul Undong from South Korea. Secondly, for our nomination to attend a workshop in South Korea, we were lucky that the hard work we've done in the village regarding Saemaul Undong project to be nominated representing our community. We hope what we will see and learn from the workshop in Korea will be recorded properly and be a great value and lesson to show and teach the community on our way back in the village. We will also share these ideas of Saemaul Undong to our village neighbors in our province on that, so that they can also improve their village lifestyle. In those words, I shall thank you very much and a big vinakavaleu for your great support, and we hope that we will make a fruitful and a sustainable, memorable journey to South Korea.